question is, who has the authority to take the resignation of Chief Justice of India? So the one who has the authority to take the resignation of Chief Justice of India is President of India. And who takes the resignation of President of India? It's the Chief Justice of India. So option A is the answer. Next question. For which of the following scheme of the Indian government Aadhaar card is mandatory? Okay. The scheme is APY. APY is Atal Pension Yojana. PMVVY. PMVVY is Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandhana Yojana. The third is Sukanya Samriddhi account. So the answer to this question is PMVVY. For this, Aadhaar card is mandatory. Next question. Mandamus refers to, what is a mandamus? Okay, mandamus is a judicial remedy in a form of an order from a court to any governmental or subordinate court, corporation or public authority. So you can say mandamus is a command. So option A is the answer. Next question. Which of the following article provides right against exploitation? Okay, the right against exploitation is provided by two articles, Article 23 and 24, which says, Article 23 says, abolition of trafficking in human beings or beggars, that is, no forced labor. And Article 24 says, abolition of employment of children below the age of 14 in dangerous job like factories, mines, etc. So as we can see here, Article 23 is given. So the answer to this question is Article 23. Next question. As per the Constitution, the ultimate sovereign is. So we know our preamble says, we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialistic, secular, democratic republic. So the answer to this question is the people of India. It is for people of India. Next question. Which of the following PM started the Look East policy in India? Okay, Look East policy was started in 1991 and it was during the tenure of P.V. Narasimha Rao. So option D is the answer. Next question says, Article 61 of Indian Constitution is related to which of the following term? Okay, Article 61 is related to the procedure for impeachment of the president, that is, option B is the correct answer. Next question. Article 32 of Indian Constitution stands for, what is Article 32 in Indian Constitution? So it is right to constitutional remedy, which means that a person has right to move to Supreme Court or High Court for getting his fundamental rights protected. So the answer to this question is right to constitutional remedies, option A. Next question. Which of the following has become the first Indian state to launch health insurance policy covering all its people? So the first Indian state is Goa. Goa became the first Indian state to launch Swarna Jayanti Arogya Bima Yojana, providing health insurance cover for the entire resident population of the state. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following provides constitutional guarantee of personal freedom? So it is habeas corpus, which means a person can report an unlawful detention or imprisonment to a court and request that the court order custody for that person. So option C is the answer. Next question. A list of national language can be traced in the dash of Indian Constitution. like where can you find the list of national languages? So here are the some schedules of our constitution. So the list of national languages are found in Article 344(1) and 351 of Indian Constitution, that is in 8th schedule, and we have total 22 languages with recognition. So the answer to this question is option D. Next question. The quorum of the parliament is fixed at. Okay, what is a quorum? Quorum is a minimum number of members in an assembly. So it is 1/10 of the members of the house. Of the house means of both the houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha, 1/10 of Lok Sabha is 55 members and 1/10 of Rajya Sabha is 25 members. So it is 1/10 of membership of both the houses. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. The Constitution of India provided that Hindi shall be. Okay, let me tell you, Hindi is not the national language of India, rather it is the official language of the Union of India. So option D is the correct answer. This is Hindi with Devanagari script. Next question. Representation of any state in Rajya Sabha is according to. Okay, the allocation of state is made on the basis of population of each state. That is, under Article 80, it says that the Rajya Sabha must have 250 members, out of which 12 will be nominated by the President and 238 will be represented by all the states and 2 union territory. So this is population of the state. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. India's first coalition government in New Delhi was formed under the leadership of. Okay, the answer to this question is Morarji Desai, that is option C. And this was also the first non-Congress national government. Next question. Which of the following is a legal right and not a fundamental right? Okay, as we all know, in 44th Amendment, right to property was removed from the fundamental rights. So we know right to liberty we have in fundamental right, right against exploitation is a fundamental right, whereas even right to practice religion is also a fundamental right, but right to property is not, rather it's a legal right. So the answer is option C. Next question. 5-year plan in India are finally approved by. Okay, the 5-year plan in India is finally approved by National Development Council. Option C. And this council is headed by Prime Minister with all the Chief Minister and Cabinet Minister on board to give the final authority for the approval of 5-year plans. So the answer to this question is option C. Next question. Who was the Prime Minister of India when the 42nd Amendment Bill bringing the changes in the Constitution was passed? Yeah, the 42nd Amendment is also known as mini Constitution, as there were major changes made in the Constitution, like even the changes were made in the preamble, and the Prime Minister of India in that time was Indira Gandhi. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not provided in the Constitution? So Planning Commission is not provided in the Constitution. Next question. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has termed the 11th 5-year plan as. Okay, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh termed 11th 5-year plan as India's education plan. So option D is the correct answer.